Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Kusoo dhawaada mar kale. Magacaygu waa Haji Abdullahi. My name is Haji Abdullahi. Today we are going to take a very important lesson, which is syllables and building words. This is a very important lesson, and we are going to learn building words and reading Somali words step by step. Before we dive in, let's begin with the vowels. In the last video, we learned the Somali alphabet, including vowels and consonants. So let's review the vowels. In Somali, we divide the vowels into two types. The first one is long vowel, which makes very short. Let's see it. A, E, I, O, O. And the good thing is Somali vowels, they are always same. They never change like the English. And the other section is long vowels, which we make the sound very long, like A, E, I, O, and O. If you become a master of all these vowels, you will be able to read and write Somali words. Even you can read a book in Somali. Now let's see the core rule of Somali building words. Generally, to make a syllable, we need to have a consonant plus vowel. For example, ba plus a together, it makes like ba. Without vowel, you cannot build and construct a single word in Somali. Now let's see the blending short vowels. For example, ba plus a together, we make the sound ba. Ba plus e, we make the sound be. And also ba plus e, we can make the sound b. Next, ba plus o, we can make the sound bo. And the last one is ba plus o, it sounds like bo. Now let's have a real example, which is very simple to understand, which is bio. Bio, it has two syllables, which are bi and yo. And together it sounds like bio, which means water. And now let's see the blending long vowels. And you have to know the long vowel, we have to make it the sound very long. You have to stretch the word a little bit longer. Like ba plus a together, it produces like ba. And ba plus e, it sounds like be. And the next is ba plus e, it sounds like B. And the next is ba plus o, it sounds like bo. And the last one is ba plus u, and it makes the sound like boo. And now let's have one real example which has a long vowel, which is borso. Borso, it has two different syllables, which are borso. Borso. And now it's time to learn a lot of Somali words, starting from the letter ba until ya. Let's start the letter ba. Bisad, bisad. Bio, bio. And the next letter is ta. And we have got timir. Timir, which means date. And this word we borrowed from Arabic word which is tamr. In Somali, we have a lot of words that originally come from Arabic because of the Islamic culture and religions. Also, we have tufah. Tufah. This is also the same as timir. We borrowed from Arabic language. Tufah. Tufah. And the next letter is ja. And we have got gelato. Gelato. And the next is jir. Jir, which means mouse or rat. Jir. And now we have got the letter ha. The letter ha, which is a very special letter in Somali, and it's very deep throat sound. It's very quite similar to ha in English, ha. So we have to pronounce like ha, ha, like headache, headache. And the next is hanjo. Hanjo. The next letter is kha. Kha, it has two different letters. When we combine together, they pronounce the sound kha. Kha is also a very special letter in Somali. Kha. Like khudar, khudar. And also we have got kharidad, kharidad, kharidad. The next letter is da. Da. We have got the letter, the word dun, dun, damer, damer. And now let's see the letter ra. Roti, roti. And also we have rah, rah. The next letter is sa. Sa. It's like sa'ad, sa'ad. This word we borrowed from Arabic, which is sa'a. In Somali we have sa'ad, sa'ad. The next is sa. Sa, which means cow. Sa. The next letter is sha. Sha. Sha, we have two letters. When we combine it together, we got the sound like sha. Sha. Like shabel. Shabel. Also we have shah. Shah. The next we have the letter da. Da. Also da, we have two letters combined together and pronounced like da. Da. Like dar. Dar. Also we have dagah. Dagah. And now we can see the letter a. We have got ano. Ano. Which is a very famous word that kids they learn at the early age. Ano. The next is aro. Aro. We can also say aro aro. We can make it double. Aro aro, which means spider. Aro or aro aro. The next is ge, and we have got gale, gale, and we have a very long vowel, gale, gale. Also we have guri, guri. Now we have got the letter f, like faras, faras. And also we have fore, fore, fore. The next letter is pa, pa. I think this letter is very special for Somali and also Arabic, and it's not easy to pronounce for English speakers. Pa, like palin, palin, kado, kado. And the next letter is ka, ka, and we have got kursi, kursi. Also we have kabo, kabo. And now we can see the letter la, like laag, laag, libah, libah. We can make it very long, libah. And now we can see the letter ma, ma, like moss, moss. And also we have mees, mees. We can make it very long, mees. The next is na, null, null, nin, nin. And we have got the letter wa, like wheel, wheel. And also we have one, one, which means lamp. It's not the number one. In Somali we have also one. Now we can see the letter ha, like hoyo, which is a very famous word in Somali. Hoyo, hoyo. And also we have hilib, hilib. The last one is the letter ye, ye, like yahas, yahas. And also we have yanyo, yanyo, yanyo. That's it. We finished building the words starting from the letter ba until ya. Hambalyo. Congratulations. Today you learned a lot of words, which is very important for building words. And I will guarantee you, now you can read and write Somali words perfectly and also clearly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next lesson. See you. مع السلامة.